Ever wondered why no human has ever seen a dinosaur in the flesh? This question takes us back millions of years to a time when these colossal beasts ruled the earth. Dinosaurs are a fascinating enigma of prehistoric life. From the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex to the towering Brachiosaurus, these creatures dominated the landscape, showcasing the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on our planet. However, their reign was not eternal. In a geological blink of an eye, they disappeared from the face of the earth. Their sudden absence from the fossil record has puzzled scientists for centuries, stirring debates and theories. Did a catastrophic event wipe them out, or was it a slow decline over millions of years? The allure and mystery of these magnificent creatures continue to captivate us, stirring our curiosity and our desire to understand our planet's past. Dinosaurs, the colossal creatures that once roamed our planet, vanished without a trace. But how? Imagine a world where dinosaurs roam freely, a world vastly different from ours. A world that existed millions of years ago during an era known as the Mesozoic. The Mesozoic era, also known as the Age of the Dinosaurs, was a time when these colossal creatures dominated the Earth. It's a period that's divided into three parts: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods. The Triassic period, the first phase of the Mesozoic era, was a time of recovery and rebirth. After the mass extinction event that ended the Permian period, life on Earth had to start anew. It was during this time that the first dinosaurs began to make their appearance. Creatures such as the small yet agile Coelophysis and the herbivorous Plateosaurus roamed the Earth. As we move into the Jurassic period, dinosaurs had become the dominant terrestrial vertebrates. The Jurassic period was a dinosaur's paradise, a time when the Earth was warm and teeming with life. Here we saw the rise of some of the most iconic dinosaurs like the towering Brachiosaurus and the fierce Allosaurus. Then came the Cretaceous period, the final chapter of the Mesozoic era. It was during this time that we saw the evolution of some of the most well-known dinosaurs. The mighty T-Rex, the armored Triceratops, and the swift Velociraptor were all part of this period's diverse dinosaur ensemble. These periods, each with its unique set of dinosaurs, paint a vivid picture of a world long gone, a world where massive creatures ruled, where every day was a struggle for survival. But as we know, this era did not last forever. Something happened that brought an end to these titanic creatures, something that wiped them from the face of the earth. Indeed, the Mesozoic era was a time of giants. But what caused these giants to disappear? Let's delve deeper into the mystery of the dinosaurs' extinction as we continue our journey back in time. Scientists have proposed numerous theories to explain the dinosaurs' sudden disappearance. One of the most popular and widely accepted of these is the asteroid impact theory. This theory paints a picture of an earth-shattering event, quite literally, that brought about the end of the dinosaur era. Imagine, if you will, a massive asteroid or comet hurtling through the vast expanse of space. It's on a collision course with Earth, and when it strikes, the impact is cataclysmic. The force of the collision would have been equivalent to billions of atomic bombs, creating a crater over 100 miles wide. The explosion would have sent shockwaves around the world, triggering tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. But the immediate destruction was only the beginning. The impact would have thrown up an immense cloud of dust and debris into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun's rays. This would have caused a drastic drop in temperature, plunging the Earth into what is often referred to as a nuclear winter. With sunlight blocked, photosynthesis would have come to a standstill. This would have led to a collapse in the food chain, starting with plants dying off, followed by herbivores, and eventually affecting the carnivores at the top of the food chain. The dinosaurs, along with a majority of life on Earth, would have found it increasingly difficult to survive in these harsh conditions. While this theory is supported by a wealth of evidence, including the discovery of a massive impact crater off the coast of Mexico and a worldwide layer of sediment enriched with iridium, an element common in asteroids but rare on Earth, it's not the definitive answer to the extinction mystery. There are still many questions left unanswered. A massive asteroid collision is quite a dramatic exit, isn't it? But that's not the only theory. Some theories suggest that the dinosaurs' demise was not so sudden, but rather a gradual process. This brings us to the volcanic activity theory and the climate change theory, which propose gradual causes that could have led to the extinction of dinosaurs. Let's first delve into the volcanic activity theory. Picture this. The Earth rumbles and shakes as molten rock bursts from the ground, spewing ash and gases into the atmosphere. This was the scene millions of years ago when the Deccan Traps in what is now India erupted. These eruptions may have lasted for tens of thousands of years, pumping vast quantities of sulfur and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The resulting climate change, characterized by a drastic drop in temperature, could have been too severe for the dinosaurs to adapt to, leading to their eventual demise. Next, we move on to the climate change theory. This theory suggests that the Earth's gradually changing climate over millions of years affected the dinosaurs' habitat. As the Earth cooled and the lush vegetation dwindled, the herbivorous dinosaurs lost their food source, and the carnivorous dinosaurs, in turn, lost their prey. This domino effect could have left the dinosaurs with limited resources, ultimately leading to their extinction. These theories paint a picture of a world changing slowly over time, with the dinosaurs struggling to adapt to the increasingly hostile environment. The volcanic activity theory and the climate change theory both suggest that it wasn't just one catastrophic event that led to the end of the dinosaurs, but a series of changes over a long period of time. But like every theory, these too have their skeptics. Some scientists argue that the evidence for these theories is inconclusive, and that they can't explain why only the dinosaurs died out while other species survived. So, was it a sudden catastrophic event or a slow, gradual process that led to the dinosaurs' extinction? The debate continues, and the mystery of the dinosaurs' demise remains one of the greatest enigmas in the history of our planet. Despite extensive research, the mystery of the dinosaurs' extinction remains unsolved. And it's this enigma that keeps scientists around the globe on their toes. Unraveling the truth behind the dinosaurs' extinction is like piecing together an intricate jigsaw puzzle. With every new fossil discovery, with each layer of sediment unearthed, we add another piece to this prehistoric puzzle. But as with any good mystery, each revelation only serves to fuel more questions. Scientists, paleontologists, and researchers continue to spar over various theories. Some firmly hold the asteroid impact theory close to their chest, arguing that the iridium-rich layer found worldwide provides indisputable evidence of a celestial cataclysm. Others, however, remain loyal to the volcanic activity theory, pointing to the Deccan Traps in India, one of the largest volcanic provinces in the world, as a testament to their claim. Then there are those who advocate for the gradual climate change theory. They argue that it wasn't a single catastrophic event, but rather a slow and steady shift in climate over millions of years that led to the dinosaurs' demise. This theory is often supported by the discovery of dinosaur fossils in the polar regions, suggesting that these beasts could adapt to changing environments. The importance of this ongoing debate cannot be overstressed. It's this constant probing, this relentless questioning that drives science forward. It's this hunger for knowledge that has led to some of the most significant discoveries in our history. It's this curiosity that propels us to keep exploring, to keep digging deeper in the hopes of one day uncovering the truth. The beauty of science lies in its perpetual state of evolution. As we continue our journey, we may discover new evidence that challenges our current understanding, or we may find that the truth lies in a combination of these theories. Only time will tell. The mystery of the dinosaurs' extinction is a fascinating subject that continues to captivate us. After all, who doesn't love a good mystery? The extinction of the dinosaurs is a reminder of the fragility and unpredictability of life on Earth. This journey through the annals of prehistoric life has taken us back millions of years, exploring the theories surrounding the extinction of the dinosaurs. From calamitous meteor impacts to drastic climatic shifts to intense volcanic activity, we've seen how these mighty creatures may have met their end. The importance of understanding these events cannot be overstated. By studying our planet's history, we can better anticipate and prepare for future environmental changes. The lessons learned from the dinosaurs' demise can serve as a warning, a call to action, for us to be better stewards of our planet. In the end, the dinosaur story is our story too. It's a story of survival, adaptation, and ultimately, resilience. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our past, We gain valuable insights that guide our journey into the future. Until the next mystery, stay curious.